This workflow demonstrates usage of date difference node to compute difference between two dates in number of days, hours, minutes, and seconds. First node reads employee dataset. Employee dataset has these columns and data. Third node is date difference node. It computes difference between two date values from incoming dataset. Date of joining column from incoming dataset is selected as from date. To date is left blank. Any other date value from incoming dataset can be selected as to date. Use current date as to call is set as true. Hence, difference would be computed between current date and date of joining. Days, hours, and minutes have been selected as true. Hence, difference would be computed in number of days, hours, and minutes. Execution of this workflow would result in this output. Output contains difference between current date and date of joining in number of days, hours, and minutes.